What is up, everybody? Back with another video, and today it is Jaden the Train Watcher. Like I said in my last few videos, shout out to Jason Hadfield, one of my subscribers, great supporter of the channel. Jacob is right there recording on his channel. I'm recording on my channel now. One of the signals down that behind us is green, so a train should be going through here pretty soon, and they will be either coming out of the train yard
I hear a train over there,
or coming out of New Bloomington. I'm going to face you guys to the tracks just in case a train is coming.
You can already if you guys can hear, you can already kind of hear a train.
Yeah, we can already hear a train.
I can hear a train.
I'm excited.
It seems like it's getting closer. I just don't know yet. We have to get closer to see.
We got to get to at least the overpass to be able to see for sure.
Overpass.
Overpass down there is our first location.
And go check out Jacob the Gamer too. I don't have that count anymore, but still a great count.
And then there's no point in checking it out if you don't have any videos. Well, if you're not posting any videos.
Well, I can't. It's not my fault.
So then there's no point in checking it out.
Wait, guys, I
think that's a car. Yeah, it's not on the tracks. That's a car.
I thought it could be a train.
There is a train, though, that I hear. See, that's a car, guys, so.
If it was a train, it would be cool.
Oh, wait, no, that is a train. It was coming out of New Bloomington.
Yep, I knew it. Wait, we should probably get off the tracks then.
We'll wait till it gets a little bit closer. First train of the night, everybody.
And you guys will be seeing this live.
I've only been recording for 2 minutes.
I've been recording for like
We've been out at the tracks for less than 10 minutes.
And
we are already about to see an amazing train.
I've been recording for 4 minutes.
This of Marion, Ohio, this
train
north to south, all this.
Hey. Y'all be still, because my dog want to know what the fuck is going on, man. Don't run. Come here, girl. Come here. Go in the house. Y'all can't, if y'all do that, my dogs they're gonna protect my property. Go
All right.
in the house. Go in.
All right, guys. Train is coming right here. Amazing.
train coming. You okay?
I've been recording for just a few minutes, and here, let's cross the tracks. You know what? Just stay up. Just stay over here. Never mind. Here he is over here. There it is.
I think that's a CSX.
This is this only CSX goes down these rails. I've never seen a Norfolk Southern down here.
Wow.
All right, let's just stop here.
Sorry guys, this lady just told us to stop because coming around that place. Because
3193. Third time I've seen him. That definitely scared the dogs. First train of the night, everybody.
It was a great one too. Ooh, 3 cups.
All right, guys.
2 times on it, but 1 engine on it.
All right, guys. That was the first train of the night. Happy to see it. You guys know how it is. That was the 3rd time.
You guys don't know how cold my hands are, but I'm doing this for you guys.
That was the 3rd time I've seen 3193 in the last month.
Okay.
I've seen locomotive 874 CSX.
That was a great train though. Yeah.
7 or 8 times in the last 3.5 weeks.
I've only been recording for 11 minutes and I already saw a train.
But I'm gonna pause the recording. And I will catch you guys later. Hey guys, I'm going to end this. This is part 1 of many to come tonight. If you guys did enjoy that first train, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Again, everybody, I am Jaden the Train Watcher, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.